Kids, how y'all doing? Let's do this game together. This is about an obstacle course with all these fun rides and stuff, and we're going to put them in order, numbers 1 through 6. My base is just a number line because this is just a one-to-one ordering game. And my variables to be put in order over there on the right, I have 6 of them, and these are my rules. S is going to be either third or fourth. We have a WZ block. R and V cannot be next to each other whatsoever. And then I put an asterisk above T because that is our free agent. That one can go anywhere. It doesn't have a rule attached to it. The first question here is one of these acceptable sequence questions. It's a complete and accurate list. It's an applied rules question is what I like to call it. And so because of that, I don't think we need to all do it together. As you go through them, you probably see the correct answer is D. And I'm going to write down that sequence here so I can maybe use it again. That is V, T, S, R, W, and Z. River, hey, stop that. Let's look at the rest of our questions. I'm going to look for a local question, something with a local condition. I'm going to pause my recording. We're back. Hello, I'm back. So let's see, I'm going to look for like a question that has a local condition on it. Between 13 and 15, which both have a local, well, let's see. 13, 15, and 16. I would do 15 first. If the rope bridge is the second obstacle, which of the following must be true? Let's look at that. So if R is on 2, I'm just going to apply the rules from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So R, I know that S could be either here or here. So now that that's assigned, I need to assign the next thing, which is my block. My block is the next one down, so to speak, in terms of how restrictive. So over here on the left side, I can do WZ or WZ. And well, I don't need to do 2 examples on the right side. All I can do is WZ there at the end. Now I know that V can't be next to R. So over here on this right side, it is now dead. It's over. I ran to a dead end. I'm just going to slash through it. I don't like to erase on the LSAT. And then on the left side, I'm going to put V over here, T and T. Wonderful. So let's see the answer choices for 15. If R is 2, which of the following must be true, and the correct answer is B, the tunnel is the first obstacle. That is the one that must be true. It goes straight up and down over there. Let's do number 13. 13 says, if the tunnel is the first obstacle, which of the following must be true? Now, we have 2 examples of the tunnel being the first obstacle over here. I can't use this to solve the question, but I can use it to get rid of some of the wrong choices. For instance, I know that, let's see, if the tunnel is first, I can get rid of, for instance, like 4. R doesn't have to be, not 4, I'm sorry. B. R doesn't have to be 4. Obviously, that's incorrect. I could also get rid of like D. W is the 4th obstacle. Well, W could be the 4th obstacle. So just looking at our examples from before, you can get rid of, I think, all except 2. But let's try to figure out what the right answer is for number 13. If T is first, which of the following must be true? If T is first, let's do TS. Let's do TS. So the next variables that we will assign are WZ, which go in a block. So I can do that over here. I can do that like that. And then what I'm going to have left over here on this side is R and V, and either one can go in either spot. It doesn't matter. And then let's look over here on our right side. As soon as I plop down that WZ block, I'm going to have to put R and V next to each other. So once again, same issue. And let's see what our answer choice is for number 13. The correct answer choice is C. What must be true if T is first, S is on 3? That is what has to be true. Okay, so 16 asks if R and V are both earlier than T. Interesting. So it's like it's adding an extra rule. If R and V are both before T, is this a could be true or a must be true? This is a must be true. So here's how I'll work this one out. First, what I could do, well, I could look for examples of it, but I don't have any examples of it. I don't have in any of my previous work that R and V are both before T. So I made 2 templates. We have S on 3 and S on 4. And now I guess I will place WZ. If I put W and Z over here, which was my first instinct, I'm going to have to put R and V against each other. I can't do that. If I put W and Z right here, I could say, nope, that won't work either. So could I put them all the way at the end? Could I do W, Z, and then, nope, that won't work either. This whole side is dead. Let's look at my right side. If I was to put, oh, here we go. I could say W and Z are over here, and then T, and then R and V and R, or I could slide W and Z down one, and then the same thing. And I wouldn't be able to put W and Z over there after S, because then we would have that same RV problem. We don't want that. So let's see, just using our right side, so that's all we have left. Let's see what the answer is to number 16. Which of the following must be true? What must be true is A, that the spinning platform is the 4th obstacle. It's right there. We have that one. And what do we have left? What was first? We didn't do 14 yet. Which of the following is a complete and accurate list? And where could the tunnel be is what it's saying. So for 14, I can already see from my previous work, the tunnel could be first or second. That doesn't really help me to eliminate anything because all of the answer choices have first and second in them. So after that, I'm going to kind of scan through the answer choices and look for something to test. I see that C, D, and E all feature third. And so I'm going to test that one because if T can't be third, then I can eliminate all of those options. Okay, so if T is third, then S would have to be fourth. And then the WZ block could be, and then we would have that R and V would have to be together. T can't be third because there would be no way for me to assign WZ like that and then keep R and V apart. That wouldn't work. So we know that T being third is out, and that eliminates C, D, and E. So now we're down to A and B. And if you look at A and B, what is the difference between them? They both have first, second, and fifth, and then B has sixth. So let's test sixth and see if T can be in sixth. Right, let's see. If we were to put, let's see, put S on 4, see if this works. And then we would have like the WZ block, which we could put in either place. RV, ER, that works. So T could be in 6. And because of that, the correct answer choice is B. It could be, T could be first, second, fifth, or sixth. I hope this was helpful. Join me in my next video for my next game. See y'all later.